Hey, good morning everyone. I am here in Roseville, California, and I'm looking at a house that's listed for $475. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath, just under 1,100 square feet. But they did a little remodel inside, so I'm gonna show it to you. Roseville is about 20 to 30 minutes from the Sacramento area. It's in Placer County still. Most of my business is in Placer County, so a lot of the homes here I do are in Roseville, Granite Bay, Loomis, etc. But as you walk into the right, have your kitchen area. That does look like quartz countertops. It does have some, looks like at least painted cabinets. Oh yeah, new cabinets. You can tell by the width, soft close, which is nice. Most of them do close and it can be loud. New appliances, new hardware. They're all soft close, which is nice. You walk into your dining room area, living room. Looks like they painted the fireplace, put in a mantle, looks super nice. So it's a cute little house. Like I said, it's only a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. About 1,100 square feet, but it does look good. It's like that laminate flooring, which is nice, easy to clean. And you got a bathroom to your left, new vanity, new light fixtures. It's amazing what just a couple small things can do. Flooring, paint, things like that. Office area or a bedroom, does have a closet. There's the first bedroom. And as you make your way back out to the main hallway to the right is your second bedroom. And they're smaller bedrooms, but for $475 here in Placer County, this is not bad at all. Super nice area. Here's your master, dual pane windows, as you can tell. With the bathroom, smaller bathroom as well, but it's doable for 2 people, for a small family. Not bad. As you make your way back out to the hallway and the living room, here's your backyard. When I went out here earlier, there was a dog barking the whole time. Let's see. Super nice backyard. Not bad, super quiet. Not bad at all. Like I said, cute little house though, for $475. Prices are going down a bit. At least here in Northern California, prices are going down. Let me know if what you're seeing in your area, whether you're a realtor or not. Are prices going down? Are they still going up? Things are sitting longer here on the market, which is actually good for buyers. It's needed to happen. Prices are crazy high. And this market is just crazy. People can't afford. There's the garage. Old garage, but it's easy. You can take out, I actually like doing this stuff too. Take out the insulation and rip all of that out. Take all this stuff off. Pressure wash. Driveway, take all this stuff off, put some trim around the windows. I mean, you can do some cool stuff in here and clean it up really quick. I like doing that stuff. But like I said, the market is definitely changing. A couple years ago, things were flying off the market in a couple days. Now it's taken about a month, if not more. Some houses obviously are going pretty quick, but for the most part, it's definitely slowing down, which is good. Anyway, let me know what you think about this house. Rate it from a 1 to 10. 10 being the best, 1 being the worst. What do you think? What's your rating and why? I'll show you back out in the front really quick. Pretty cute little neighborhood though. Pretty quiet. It's close to I-80. I actually live here in Roseville, not in this area, but I do live in Roseville. Pretty safe for the most part. And super quiet. What a beautiful day. Anyway, guys, hope you like this video. And have a great day. Peace.